Echoing around, understanding and using the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating phrase, echoing around. Often heard in conversations and writings, this phrase carries a unique meaning and usage. Let's explore together what it means, how it's used, and some examples to make your English learning journey more exciting. Echoing around refers to a sound or noise that is being repeated or reverberated in an environment. Imagine shouting in a large hall and hearing your voice bounce back. But it's not just about sound. The phrase can also metaphorically mean that a certain idea, news, or topic is being widely discussed or circulated among people. Sound and acoustics. In the literal sense, echoing around is used to describe sound phenomena. For example, the sound of the bells was echoing around the valley. Metaphorical use. Metaphorically, it's used to describe the spread of information or ideas. For instance, the news of the upcoming event is echoing around the office. 1. The laughter of the children was echoing around the empty hall. 2. Rumors about the new policy are echoing around the workplace. 3. The haunting melody was echoing around the deserted streets at night. It's important not to confuse echoing around with just echoing. While echoing can be used for any repetitive sound, echoing around specifically implies a spread or distribution in a space or among a group of people. Understanding phrases like echoing around adds depth to your English language skills. Remember, it's not just about literal meanings but also about understanding the context and metaphorical uses. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find these phrases naturally fitting into your conversations and writings. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.